Hey everybody, today I'm making spicy chicken with couscous stuffing. I'm getting the recipe out of the Canadian Living Cookbook. And here is the recipe. Calls for 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 green onions, a garlic clove minced, 1/2 teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander and 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, a pinch of cinnamon, salt and pepper, 2½ cups of chicken stock, 1 cup of couscous, 1/4 cup of currants or raisins, 1/4 cup of almonds, 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, a whole chicken, 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder, tablespoon of liquid honey, and all-purpose flour. So first I'm going to melt the butter and cook the onions and garlic, stirring for 3 minutes until softened. Then I'm going to be adding the cumin, coriander, ginger, cinnamon, salt, and pepper, and cook that for a minute. So there's some onion, butter. So the way I cook, I don't really measure much. I guesstimate or I wing it completely. So I'm having just the onions and butter sauteing, and I'm going to be using, instead of dry ginger, I'm going to be using this garlic and ginger paste, which is pureed ginger and garlic, just because I have that available. And I'm not measuring because, well, we like both those spices, so why not? So this is basically just cooking this to melt the butter and to soften the onions a bit. And I'm using just white onions here. I'm going to go get some green onions put in there too. And then just chop some green onions. Get this skin off. Then I'm going to add some cumin and some coriander. And some cinnamon and some salt, some pepper. I needed 2 hands to grind it. You can see the pepper flakes there, and stir it around, and some salt. And just let it cook a little bit to get all of the seasonings going. Now I'm going to that's fine. Add some water so you can get all So in total you're going to do about 2½ cups of water and 1 cup of couscous. Well, the water is the broth. Well, I'm using powdered broth. So again, it's about 1 cup. That's a 2nd cup, and about 2½ cups. And then you add some couscous, medium or fine, about 1 cup. Basically, have twice as much liquid as you do couscous, as it will grow. Put this on the heat again. And I'm not going to worry if it's a little bit dry, because it's going to be stuffed inside the chicken. Oh, I forgot to put the things like that in the nuts. I took some almonds, some blanched almonds, and I chopped them. And then I'm using some sultana raisins. And then I just put a handful of chopped parsley. It says like 3 tablespoons or whatever. I just took some chopped parsley and some parsley that I chopped with kitchen shears. And then we just turned off the heat and let that rehydrate. Then taking out this chicken. I paid $6.95 for it, so $4.39 a kilogram, which is about $1.99 a pound. So like $2 a pound. So here is the couscous, and here's the chicken. And I'm going to put the couscous stuffing in the chicken. This is about half to, it's like a quarter to a half of it. I stand the chicken up and open up the cavity and scoop the couscous stuffing inside. It's still hot. And then we put the rest of the stuffing, couscous, into an oven-proof dish and put it in the oven with the chicken. I don't think at the same time as the chicken, because I don't think it has to cook as long, but it could. There we go. It's all stuffed. And here I put some honey. I only had creamed honey, and some more of those spices that we had. Cumin, coriander, salt, pepper, powdered ginger, and sprinkled it on and rubbed it all in. And then I'm going to cook this for an hour and a half at 325. Well, actually I'll do it at 350 because I'll cook it for an hour at 350 because I want it done. I'm going to put a little bit of water in the pan to get some more of the juice there. Just a little bit of water. Maybe about a quarter cup. Just to get at the bottom of the pan. Chickens and then this going in there. So now I'm just going to put some butter and grease a small pan so I can put the rest of the stuffing in and not have it stick to the bottom. That was in that bowl. And then the rest in this big, a saucepan. And then this will go in about the last 20-30 minutes. So whenever your chicken is almost done, I'm going to check it in an hour because I'm doing it at 350, but it says to do it like 325 for an hour and a half. I'm going to do $3.50 for about an hour because it's getting kind of late. So basically, check your chicken when it's close to being done. Put this in and serve it with vegetables. I think we're going to have a salad. And here's the chicken. I cut in to make sure that the juices are running clear, not bloody. I'll take this out and put it on a plate and cut it, and then make a bit of gravy with the juices. I just put a bit of the cornstarch in here versus flour. You can put flour, but since I'm not really heating this up, I'm just letting the heat of the juices thicken up with the cornstarch. Because the cornstarch thickens just with liquid. Flour you need to thicken with heat and liquid. So there we go. Nice curried flavor au jus with the cumin and coriander. Here's the chicken with crispy skin, some couscous stuffing, and a big, huge half my plate of feta salad, which is lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes, and crispy pita chips with lemon and sumac sprinkled on top, with a feta salad dressing, which was basically garlic, salt, sumac, mint, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and garlic. Thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now, friends.